show you how to publish a Heroku app. So Heroku is a way to deploy your Flask apps to the internet. And it's completely free. That's the good thing about Heroku. And it's also very developer friendly. So to start, I'm going to create my Flask app. This is going to be very simple. So I import Flask first. And then I create an instance of Flask. And then I have to create a route. I'm going to create the home route as index. Def index, and then I'm going to return some HTML. Hello world. So this will return the heading hello world when I go to the index route. So now here comes the important part. We're going to publish it to Heroku. To start, we need to create a Heroku account. So I already have an account, and if you want to create an account, you would go to signup.heroku.com, and that would allow you to sign up. So now we're going to create a new app, and we're going to call this test Heroku app, and it's not available, so we're going to add one. A lot of these apps are not available. So we're going to create the app, and now we're in the app. So it brings you to the deploy section. To start, you would have to log in with Heroku. So I'm already logged in, but you would have to go into your terminal, type Heroku login. But actually, I think first you have to install. You have to type brew install Heroku. Brew install Heroku. I don't know if that's correct. Let's check. No. Okay, so let's try that. Yeah. So yeah, that's how. Oh yeah, Heroku is already installed. So that's how you would install Heroku. Now you would type Heroku login. Heroku login would redirect you to another Chrome page, and then it would ask you to log in with your credentials. Next, you would have to next here comes the part where you create the git part. So you would type git init, and it initializes the empty repository. Now we have to type enable the remote. So Heroku git remote, and so now you would literally have access to the Heroku project. You would have to type git add, then you would have to commit it, and then you would have to push to deploy your application. Also note that you can always change your application later. So to start, we have to create a virtual environment. So this is going to be the environment that tells Heroku what packages to have, what packages should be installed, how to run the app, and literally everything. So we have to type Python 3 -m vnv. So vnv will be the name of our app, and it creates a virtual environment folder. Next, we have the virtual environment folder. Now we have to enter the virtual environment. To do this, we type source vnv/bin/activate. Also, you may need to install vnv with pip. So let's clear the terminal, and now we're in the virtual environment. If we try running the app, however, this will not work because we need to install Flask. To do this, we type pip install Flask, and 3 is not needed. Now we have to install gunicorn. So gunicorn is a way to run your applications on a domain, because Flask only allows for a development server. Next, we have to install gunicorn, like I said. So pip install gunicorn. And so just to see how Heroku will run our app, we have to type gunicorn run app. So run for the name of the file, and app for the name of the app. So that'll actually run the app. So if we type this, that'll actually run the app, and we can go to localhost 800 and type hello world. So note that if you remove the if name equals main, then this will not work, because then the app will run with Flask's development server, not gunicorn. So important note. Now we have to tell Heroku what packages we want to use, and we'll use pip freeze, like I'm typing, requirements.txt. So it creates a file called requirements.txt, which contains all the packages. Okay, so next we have to create something called the proc file. So the proc file, it actually has this icon, I don't know why, is what tells gunicorn how to run the app. So we're going to type gunicorn run app. So that'll essentially take the file run and then import app from it, and then run it with gunicorn. So I think this is all we need. Let's do a test run, I think. And yeah, that's all we need. So test run. And now we need to commit our changes. To start, we use git add to add all the files we've created, dot for all, and then we have to commit. Git commit, and then we're going to use -m, and then type our commit. Committed files. And then now we have to push to Heroku master. Git push Heroku master. So this will push our files to Heroku. And so Heroku is really cool. It has an overview. You can actually install dynos. There's PostgreSQL. So if you want to make your apps faster, you would use dynos. They help you make your app faster and give more storage. There's and note that you can always remember how to deploy it by going here. And also, if you want to install the Heroku client on something besides Mac, which is what I showed you, you can go here and click that. Okay, so it looks like Heroku has been done committing. So now we have to actually go to the Heroku app. So to get the URL, you would go to the app name, or you could copy it from here, and then you would go and then herokuapp.com. And Heroku offers a free subdomain. And it automatically makes your app secure, which is good, and it gives hello world, just like we wanted. So another thing to note is that if you wanted to create your own domain, you would click add domain, enter your domain, do some DNS, and enter the DNS, and you would get the domain. So that's it for today. Bye guys, and I hope you learned from this video.